Welcome to AirDroid Business tutorial. In this video, we will explore how to leverage the App Allowlist feature in Kiosk Mode within AirDroid Business to maintain control over app usage and ensuring only enterprise-approved apps are running on remote devices effectively. Now let's get started from understanding App Allowlist for Kiosk Mode. App Allowlist for Kiosk allows you to select specific apps that can be used in Kiosk Mode while hiding other apps. This feature offers two visibility options, visible and invisible. Visible enables the selected app to be displayed on the kiosk home screen for user access. Invisible disables the selected app from appearing on the kiosk home screen, restricting user access. Please note that App Allowlist is only effective for the apps which already been installed on your device or rolled out into your app library. Now that we understand the concept, let's walk through the steps to set up the App Allowlist for Kiosk within AirDroid Business. To begin, log into the admin console, navigate to the Policy and Kiosk section on the dashboard, and click Policy and Kiosk Config Files. Here, you can either create a new kiosk file or modify an existing one. If you're creating a new file, click on Create Config File, choose Kiosk, and click OK. If you're modifying an existing file, simply select it and click Edit. Then click on App Allowlist for Kiosk in the left navigation bar. To start adding apps to the Allow list, click on button Add Apps. In the pop-up, you can see there are 4 methods to add apps. Select apps from devices that are already installed. Add apps from the organization app library. Add apps from managed Google Play Store. And enter the app package ID. Please note that app package ID is a unique parameter for each app. To find the app package ID, open the App Store in a browser and check the ID in the app page's URL. Taking Chrome browser as an example, in the URL, the part after ID equals, which is com.android.chrome, is the app package ID. Tick the apps you want to add to the Allow list and click OK to confirm. Once you have added the desired apps, you can review the Allow list. Additionally, you can choose whether the apps should be visible on the device or not. Finally, click the Save button on the top right corner to save the kiosk file settings. Then, find the Apply Config file to the following devices or groups and click Add. Choose the devices or groups you want to apply the policy to and confirm. When the status in the list turns to Applied Successfully, the policy settings have been successfully applied to the target devices. Okay, that's all for today's guide. For more information on AirDroid Business, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.